What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you this insane strategy that you can make up to $5,000, $10,000, $63,000 per month just by re-uploading content that's already out there. And this isn't like you're thinking. This isn't using Creative Commons. All of this content is 100% copyright free, and I'm going to show you how to get unique content that you're not even taking from other YouTubers, so it's super insane. Like, honestly, this is probably one of the best videos I've ever uploaded on my channel, so definitely make sure you watch the entire thing, because I'm going to be showing you channels that are doing this, exactly how to do it step by step, and how to make money fast. But if for some reason you don't like this strategy, at the end of the video I'm going to show you a bonus strategy that I'm personally doing that can make you even more money online. So without any further ado, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. Alright, so first off, you saw a picture of this 63.6K estimated monthly earnings. Just so you know, this is legit. This is on a website called Social Blade. If you don't know what that is, it's where you can look up people's YouTube channels and other social media, and they'll give you analytics. It will tell you how many views they're getting, subscribers. It will tell you their estimated average. And what this is based off of is their YouTube ad revenue. And this goes off, they get paid a CPM, which is basically how much they make per 1,000 views. Okay, so this 63,000, when they got 15.9 million views, I would say that's, you know, the 63,000's probably closer to the right amount. And that's just YouTube ad revenue. With that money, they're making money from merch, sponsorships, affiliate products. Even if they're not specifically doing it, you can do it. You can monetize much more than just YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But let's just say, for the video's sakes, it's 5,000, right? I mean, even if with a $1 CPM, which they probably have way more than that, they'd be getting 15,000. You can do the math if you don't believe me, but even if you're only getting 5,000, and I get this channel's big, right? But what they're doing is very simple. All they're doing is taking copyright-free music and uploading it to their channel. And the reason why this is legit is because they actually give credit. And I'm going to show you how to do all of this. It's very simple, and you don't have to like take music from other YouTubers. There's a way better way to do this, and I'm going to show you, and you're not going to believe it. It's actually insane. And right here, this is their actual YouTube channel. You can just see, like, on their videos, all they're doing, if we go right here, all they're doing is uploading videos and then putting no copyright music next to it. Copyright safe, no copyright music. Like, it's absolutely insane. I mean, look at the views they're getting. Now, here's a smaller channel just so you can kind of see that there's more than just that channel doing it. I mean, you can type in copyright-free music into YouTube. You'll find a ton of them. But it's very simple to do this. And the nice thing is, if we click here, you can see an ad. This is how they're making money, okay? Like I said, the ad revenue. Now I'm gonna turn that off because even if it's copyright free, I don't wanna get screwed somehow by YouTube. But you can see they have this visualizer and then an image on the background, right? And then they just have this stuff flying to make it seem like it's a video, but it's really just an image. And then they're just kind of rocking it. And that's all very simple to do in an editor. But I'm gonna show you how you can do this without having to edit anything in like a minute. And you don't really need to do the visualizer, but there's this program, a free program that makes it so simple to do. It's like, why not? And I'll show you that soon, so stay tuned for that. But even if you just had a picture or a video, and you can get that stuff from Unsplash, they have royalty-free stuff you can use there. But again, I'll show you how to do all this, so don't worry. But now that you understand the possibility of how much money you can make, how the videos work, what the content is, now we have to get the content, or music I should say, and we're going to be using a website I'm sure you've heard of. If not, it's called SoundCloud. Okay, so on SoundCloud, this is where you can find a lot of up-and-coming artists and a ton of new music. And no, you can't just take their music and upload it. I mean, I think some people do that, but I'm going to show you a secret ninja hack to make it even better for you and the artist. Okay, so let's say we're doing the strategy for rap. Let's type in rap. And then if you go right here to tracks, what's cool is this thing will pop up and you can filter by tag, and you can go like hip hop and rap. right? And then all these videos will come up, right? And you can go right here and go to listen to, and then you can modify commercially to use commercially, but we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be doing something way different because this is what everyone else is doing. We want to be different than what everyone else is doing so you can actually get more views and more subscribers and in turn, more money. So what we're going to do after we go to whatever video, we can just click this. And obviously we're not going to be using Little Uzi's video, but if you go into the comments, this is where a bunch of people will be talking about, check out my music. It's kind of like in YouTube when people spam the comments. Up and coming rappers do the same. So I haven't actually checked this one out, but let's look. And you can see right here, like for example, beat is cold. Check out my channel for some dope beats. And then you can find like more people. Hi, I'm a 12-year-old rapper. My first song is unique. I would really appreciate some, whatever, give your opinion. I can't read. And then you click here, and a lot of the times these are people making their own playlists. So you got to pay attention and realize that a lot of the time they're not the actual rapper, but what you can do is you can find the artist by clicking right here, like rest in peace Theo. You can see right here, this is his song and he's got 92 followers, right? So this is someone where you can definitely get them to let you use their music, and I'm going to be telling you exactly how to do this. And then right here you can also see like reposted by Rip Theo or RIP Theo, and you can click on this person. This is a artist right here, okay? And then again, 311 followers, right? So what you can do is you can just go to their Instagram, or you can email them or message them on Spotify or SoundCloud, whatever we're on. And we're just going to send them a very specific message. All right. So I wrote it down for you. So I'll just read it real quick and I'll put it on the actual video so you can see it. But it's basically like this. It'd be like, hey, X. So in this example, it'd be like YVVN, whatever his name is. I found your music on SoundCloud a few days ago, and I have a YouTube channel called whatever your YouTube channel name is. And I would love to promote your song for whatever that says. Like what? I don't think this guy is he's from Afghanistan. So maybe find someone in America, but this is just for example, okay? So anyways, and it's really easy to find artists. Like this is just one way to do it. Like you don't have to go in the comments, but that's just one way you can find artists. You can also just type in rap and find, like literally, I'll show you another way just so you can see. And then you can just find people, look right here, 1,600 followers. You can use him. Like it's very simple, but I'm going to go back to this just for the example. So basically, let me read it again. So you'd be like, hey, X, I found your music on SoundCloud a few days ago, and I have a YouTube channel called X, and I would love to promote your song on there and get your brand out to a wider audience, right? So you're already getting their attention because they have a small audience and they want to get their brand out to more people. That's why they're leaving their comment on people's videos so they can get more recognition, right? So they can get their brand out. And then you could say, and if you'd like to promote your socials and SoundCloud in the description, along with anything else you'd like to shout out as well, I'm happy to do it. Right? So of course you're going to shout them out. You're going to put their socials, their SoundCloud in the description of the video. And if you look at these videos right here, and then we go to the description, you can see right here, contact the artist. This is another way you can get the artist through this guy. He's doing the same exact strategy through SoundCloud. You can see his stuff right here, YouTube, SoundCloud, all of his stuff. And here's contact the artist. Okay. So I hope that makes sense as far as contacting them. And again, you can use that exact message I wrote out for you. And I promise you, it's like almost guaranteed to work because it's a win-win situation. They get free advertisement and you get free content, right? Free copyright, free content. And all you got to do is put their stuff in the description. And that's what makes this so amazing, is because you don't have to do hours of research, hours of editing, and all the stuff that me and other creators have to do when we create our YouTube videos. It's just like 10 minutes of work. So you can do 1, 2, 3 videos a day easy. So I hope that all makes sense. If you have any questions about this so far, leave a comment down below. But now to actually make the video, this is the easiest part, which you wouldn't think it is, but it literally is. So obviously you'll be in contact with them. So you could just ask them to send you the copy of the actual song you're going to be using, or you can go to Google and type in download SoundCloud. And then right here, you just go to this and then you just click on this. All right. And then we're going to take the entire domain and we're going to put it in here. And then you just download the track right there. All right. So now it's downloading. Now, after you downloaded the track, what you're going to do is go to musicvid.org. Okay. So this is where you can get the free visualizers, and you can see if you just scroll down, these are pre-made ones. So let's just click on this one. And then what you do is you load the file from your computer. And then here it is, the fur ditch produced by whatever. And now it's in there. Okay. So if we click right here, I really don't want the music on. It really doesn't matter. You get the idea. I just don't want YouTube to strike me or whatever. So, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So you can see how once the music starts, it does like this whole thing. And you can actually edit how this looks. So go to background and you can change the background image. And if you wanted to, you don't have to. You could go to, again, unsplash. So you could just do something like cinematic. We'll just download this one just to show you how easy it is, right? And then we can go right here, change background image, load file from computer. And then we'll add that in there. So you can see that looks pretty dope, right? So if you want the image bigger, you could go 1.5 and that kind of makes it bigger, but I would just leave it at 1. And you can change a ton of things, right? Like you can mirror half of it. You can mirror the whole thing. Like you can do some cool stuff, right? Like go out of background, you go to particles. You see these particles over here. If you wanted a different color, let's say you wanted them green, right? Now they're green. Right? And then you can change the speed and then it goes faster. So if you got like a faster beat, so it's super simple. You can change so much stuff. And I'm not a master at musicvid.org. I just did the research. I don't want people hating on me in the comments saying, oh, you don't do this strategy. Like, no, I can't do every strategy. And I'm not going to sit here and lie like all these gurus do. Like, I'm not ashamed of it. I'm just trying to provide value and give you a strategy that can make you some money while you're sitting at home doing nothing, right? And if you want to use the business that I personally do, that I personally make money from, I'll be showing you that very shortly, so stay tuned. But just know that I still do hours of research to make these videos for you, even hours of editing, hours of recording. So please don't hate because I don't do something. Like there's not enough hours in the day. If there was more than 24 hours in the day, I would do every single thing I share, because I don't share anything unless it's proven and unless I truly believe in it. Okay, so just know that I'm not trying to scam anyone or steal money from anyone like people say in the comments. So just want to let you know that. So, but all of this stuff, you can do a quick YouTube search if you don't know how to do something, but it's all very simple, right? And then after you're done with it, after you have the video, you just go to export and then you hit start encoding, right? And then you just hit export and you say adding the attribution below is appreciated, but it's not required for this project. All right, so just know that you don't have to add this, but you can if you want. Not a big deal. So then you would just hit export, and that's how you would do it. And you would upload it to YouTube, title it, and again, I mean, that's the easy part, right? Like if you don't know how to make a YouTube channel, all you do is start a new Gmail and do that. But please, if you're struggling with anything, comment down below and let me know, or just do a quick YouTube search. If you type in a YouTube search for how to title a YouTube video, there you go. But for this, it's really simple because like for this video, whatever, I can't pronounce what it was called. It was like I feel like I'm going to say dick, but it's ditch or something. I don't know. But so just look at what they're doing. You see how they do like right here. Just do exactly what they're doing. So you'd put the artist and then the name of the song, and then you would say no copyright music. All right. And also do exactly what they're doing. You can see right here, you're free to use this song in any of your YouTube videos, but you must include the following in your video description. So just copy and paste that, right? So it's very simple, and there's many ways to go about finding these videos and these audio and the music, and you could even just use a regular video editor, then use this. Oh, and one thing I forgot to show you, how to change the actual image right here. That's in, if we go to quick settings and we go to emblem right here, and then you just go to change image, and we could just pick an image for the center real quick. Obviously, you'd want to use like your logo or something, but we'll just put an image of TikTok there. So you can see how you can change it. And that's exactly what these people did. If we go, they just used their logo, right? The CFM, copyright free music. It's literally letters is their logo. And that's all you need to do. It's that simple. And I hope that all makes sense, but you did stay until the end, and I told you I was going to show you the program and the business that I personally do. So if you go into the description, there's something that says how to make $1,000 affiliate commissions, right? The link below that is the program and the business model that I use. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, that's where you're promoting other people's products and you earn a commission. But what I do is high ticket affiliate marketing. So that's why I can earn commissions of 1,000 and sometimes even higher, right? And I don't have to create my own products and I earn money passively. I'm not saying that you'll make passive income by pressing 2 buttons. Like, it takes work. And if you're interested in learning more, go to that link, enter in your email, and you'll see a short video from me. It's literally like a minute or 2. And if you're interested, you can learn more. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you have not done so already. And if you don't like any of the strategies I just showed you, you can check out these 2 money-making strategies right here. Thank you so much for watching, and till next time.